Best Vidnami 40% discount special offer for January 2021. This year the team at Noble Samurai to celebrate the launch of their new AI engine have put together their biggest and best ever Vidnami 40% January discount special offer for 2021. This special January discount bundle from Vidnami will save you over $1,406. So what's included in the Vidnami 40% January discount and special offer bundle? This year the Vidnami team are discounting the price of Vidnami and also giving away their most popular apps and bonuses included all for free. This special Vidnami 40% discount special offer and January 2021 bundle will help anyone who uses video marketing to grow their business. Vidnami is so easy that even if you've never made a video before, you will be creating professional videos in no time. Here's what's included. 40% off Vidnami, save $216 per year. Free Storyblocks video clips, access hundreds of thousands of video and image clips, save $348 per year. Free Storyblocks music tracks, access tens of thousands of audio clips, save $240 per year. Free Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprints, copy and paste video marketing formulas, save $49. Free 5-minute Facebook ad formula. Discover the secret for creating high-converting video ads on Facebook in minutes. Save $49. Free 21 ways to find clients ebook. Discover how to start a profitable video agency from your own home. Save $49. Free Eliminate Writer's Block Forever ebook. Discover a simple process that helps you create unlimited content. Save $29. Free Smartphone Camera Tips ebook. Discover the exact lighting and audio tips to get results like a pro straight away. Save $29. Free YouTube SEO cheat sheet. Helps you quickly discover how to best rank your videos on YouTube. Save $49. All included the Vidnami 40% discount special offer for January 2021. Custom bundle for video marketing will save you a whopping $1,406. If you've been wanting to pick up this cutting-edge video marketing and video software tool, now is really the best time, as the cost won't get any lower. Check it out now at the link below.